Hello everyone, my name is Jalen and I'm going to show you my favorite simple snow basing technique. If you're looking to base a diorama or an entire army in snow basing, this is the perfect basing method for you, and it's also going to be the cheapest. And if I'm for anything, it's for saving money in this hobby that'll probably drive me to be poor and destitute. Anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to use one of my extra bases to show you how this works. First, I'm going to prep the base. Before I apply the snow, I like to apply an earth texture paste. In this case, I'll be using Dark Earth by Vallejo. I use one of my modeling spatulas to apply it to the base liberally. When it dries, it will have a nice texture perfect for adding some snow. When I first based a miniature using snow, I used Citadel's Valhalla Blizzard technical paint. This stuff is great for beginners, but it became apparent that the 24 milliliter bottle was not going to last me long, and it didn't. If I would have used that technical paint to paint my ice giant and my snow speeder, I would have used most of, if not all of it. $8 down the drain. With the materials I'm using today, the upfront cost was about 20 bucks. It was $15 for this, $6 for this, and the water was free. That is 945 milliliters of the snow basing material and 473 milliliters of the PVA glue. If I used equal parts glue and water, that makes a total of 1,891 milliliters of total snow basing material. That is a cost of 30 milliliters per cent if you use the Valhalla Blizzard, or 1 cent per milliliter with this mixture. That seems like a no-brainer to me. Before we can add the snow, I add a shade of Nuln oil to the base. This will make the base seem like the ground is wet because of the snow. Now to add the snow. For this recipe, you need the three things that I mentioned earlier: Woodland Scenics Soft Lake Snow, any PVA or wood glue, and some agua. I mix the snow in whatever I've got lying around. So what ratio of water to glue to snow do I use? Well, that depends. I like to start with a putty-like mixture of snow and glue. I need the snow for the effect and the glue to keep it on the base. From there, I thin the mixture using water. If I want a wetter or melting snow, I make it very thin. If I want the snow to be thick, chunky snow that packs well, I keep it a little thicker. Go back and forth adding water, snow, and glue until you get the mixture you want. If you're not sure what you want, test the snow on a piece of plastic or material that doesn't absorb water. It's always a good idea to test new things on junk first. For instance, I could use the extra plastic for my cup. Apply the snow mix to the base, making sure that the ground is visible in a few areas. Stack it up high where you want the snow packed, and low where it could be moved or where it's starting to melt. When I'm done placing the snow, I like to add a light dusting of snow basing material to the top for additional texture. And there you have it, a simple snow base. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful in any way. If you know a better or a cheaper way to do this, drop it in the comments. I want to read it. Plus, you'd probably be helping everybody else out. Thanks again for watching this video to the end. You're the best. Go paint your minis.